California is under siege. At least 5 wildfires have ravaged the state, leaving over 1,000 homes reduced to ashes, thousands displaced, and countless lives shattered. With over 13,000 structures at risk and over 30,000 residents forced to evacuate, the Golden State is living through one of its darkest chapters.
Do you regret cutting the fire department budget by millions of dollars, Madam Mayor? Have you nothing to say today? Have you absolutely nothing to say to the citizens today? Elon Musk says that you're utterly incompetent. Are you considering your position? Madam Mayor, have you absolutely nothing to say to the citizens today who are dealing with this disaster? No apology for them? Do you think you should have been visiting Ghana while this was unfolding back home?
But as Los Angeles burns, Mayor Karen Bass is on a foreign trip to Ghana, sparking outrage and raising critical questions about leadership in times of crisis. Could this absence deepen the divide between city officials and residents struggling for survival? Among the hardest hit are African communities in Los Angeles, where neighborhoods with high populations of African immigrants and African Americans are feeling the brunt of the destruction. Many of these residents, already facing socio-economic challenges, have lost everything. Homes, businesses, and community centers that have stood as cultural hubs for years are now reduced to rubble.
Okay, I guess let's park along this street, yeah? And then, Dave, if you can, just go ahead of us and try to set up signal.
Right here. This is where it's gotta be. This is, oh my God. What? I've never, look at this. Beyond comprehension.
Okay, so I was gonna go that way, but that pole is on fire. I'm gonna turn around.
Stating for us, our community is tight-knit, but now many families are scattered, unsure of what the future holds, says a survivor of the wildfire. The wildfires have not only displaced families, but disrupted the economic lifelines that sustain African-owned businesses in Los Angeles. Many are left asking, where is the support?
Right now, if you need help, emergency information, resources, and shelter is available. All of this can be found at URL. Los Angeles, together is how we will get through this. Through the heroism of our firefighters, the vigilance.
Mayor Karen Bass' trip to Ghana was intended to strengthen the ties between Los Angeles and the African continent. While the intention might be noble, the timing couldn't be worse. Critics argue that this symbolic visit comes at the cost of real action where it's needed most, right here at home. But others in African diaspora believe her presence in Ghana highlights the importance of global solidarity and long-term planning, even as emergencies unfold. With no water in the fire hydrants, firefighters unable to carry out their duties, and fire insurances being cancelled, Los Angeles battles this catastrophe. But one thing is clear, the resilience of its people will shine through. From rebuilding homes to rebuilding trust, the road ahead will be long. But for those hardest hit, especially in African communities, it's a reminder of the need for stronger leadership and community support. What do you think about Mayor Karen Bass' absence during this crisis? Should leaders prioritize global ties over local emergencies? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more updates and deep dives into stories that matter. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching, guys.